All right, I just got done reading an article on the Motley Fool, and you could probably guess where this video is going already, right? The article was saying that AMC stock is facing a no-win situation when it comes to the upcoming vote on potentially being able to issue 500 million new shares of stock. Now, I know this has been a huge topic, especially on this channel lately, about whether or not, one, AMC will issue these new shares, whether or not it's a good thing if they can issue these new shares. But look, this reporter for the Motley Fool says that it's a bad or a losing situation whether or not they have it. So if they vote yes, it's bad. If they vote no, it's bad. Obviously, he's a bear when it comes to AMC stock. So I disagree with the fact that it's a lose-lose situation. And really, it could be a win-win situation. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to click that subscribe button, join the channel, and become a bro. We're here every single day, and we're growing our portfolios together. All right, so let's talk about this article that I was reading about why AMC is facing a lose-lose situation when it comes to this upcoming vote, and really break it down and see if this is actually the case. All right, so this reporter was saying that if AMC votes yes, if the shareholders vote yes, and approve the potential 500 million share offering, this is a losing situation because we lose the possibility of a short squeeze. Now, listen, there's going to be a lot of people out there that disagree with this, but I do agree with this because if AMC has the ability to issue up to 500 million new shares, as soon as the share price starts to increase, they will be issuing new shares. Now, this is going to keep driving the stock price back down lower. Look, it's in the best interest of the company if AMC goes out and sells these shares at elevated levels. If we see any bubbling or starting of a short squeeze, it's going to be in the best interest of the company that AMC goes out and takes advantage of this inflated price. Deep down, you know it. I know it, and we can listen to whoever we want to listen to say that, dilution is a factor and things need to be looked at like this. But when it comes time to doing what's in the best interest of the company, what's in the best interest of the company will be done. So if we have the potential to issue 500 million new shares, if the share price gets out of hand and starts to climb rapidly, we will see an issuance of new shares. So I agree with the reporter in this sense. But he wasn't really saying that it's going to be a good thing because AMC is going to have a lot of extra money on hand. They'll be able to pay down their debt. This could be a decent thing in the long term. It'll kill the squeeze, but it'll help the company, okay? So you need to ask yourself, why are you investing in AMC stock in the first place? Are you investing to see a squeeze? If the answer is yes, can't vote. You can't vote yes for the 500 million new shares. If the answer is no, if you're investing in post-pandemic recovery, if you're playing AMC because you believe that the company is going to be able to survive the pandemic and then grow and get back to at least where they were pre-pandemic, if not a better situation, then you can go ahead and vote yes. But you need to ask yourself why you're investing in AMC in the first place. Now, he also said that it's a lose-lose situation because if AMC votes no and they're unable to issue these 500 million new shares, that it's going to be faced with too much debt. The debt is too heavy on their balance sheet. They're never going to be able to survive. They won't be able to pay down the debt based on post-pandemic revenues, and they don't expect the demand to go back up to movie theaters at least until 2024. And look, we're already seeing demand soaring we've seen it in movies like Kong vs. Godzilla. I mean, the demand is going to be there. People are going to be going back to the movies as soon as they're allowed, right? It's just, I truly believe that people are going to be going back to the movies and that the fear surrounding COVID is not going to keep people from going to the movie theaters. So with that being said, I disagree with the fact that AMC would go out of business if they're not able to raise all of this capital from potential new shareholders. Now, I believe that AMC is going to have a post-pandemic recovery, that demand is going to increase, revenue is going to increase, and they're going to pay down their debt in a way that business should pay down their debt. by doing business, by going out there, generating sales, and paying down their obligations. Not by going out and asking people to come in and pay the obligations for them. Now, I know this might make a lot of people out there upset by saying, yeah, go out and do business and bring in revenue like a business should, and don't take the easy way out, but okay. I mean, if that upsets you, that upsets you, right? We move forward. We're investors. We're here to hold, and we've got these diamond hands. We want to see the stock price increase. Now, we can see the stock price increase long term if AMC starts to recover and do all of that. But if you're holding AMC because of the short squeeze, if you want to see the hedge funds lose out because of the short squeeze, this cannot happen if 500 million new shares are introduced into the market. And a lot of you have the argument that, well, they're not going to introduce all 500 million new shares or whatever it may be. Guys, it's just differing opinions, right? At the end of the day, nobody knows exactly what is going to happen, but it's very clear that if those 500 million new shares are introduced into the market, we won't see a short squeeze. So I have to vote no. I have to believe that the short squeeze is going to happen. I have to believe that, the movement on why AMC started in the first place is going to be seen through. That we're going to hold these diamond hands until we see the hedge funds squeezed out. So guys, I want to know what you think about this in the comments below. Let me know if you think that this is a long-term play based on a rebound in AMC, or if you think that AMC is a hold with diamond hands until we see a short squeeze type of deal. Let us know down there below, guys, because I think a lot of people are getting off track on why AMC is being held in the first place and why it was being shorted in the first place and what we're really doing here. So let us know down there in the comments below, guys. If you like the content on the channel, don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, make sure to subscribe to the channel, become a bro. We're here every single day and we're growing our portfolios together. And look, there's a link in the description for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. And if you go ahead and do that and deposit $100, you're going to get a couple free stocks, actually, more than one. And they are giving away stocks of AMC right now. And we've got a promotion going on down there that if you go ahead and do that, if you send a screenshot to claybro883@gmail.com, you're going to get I'm going to give you the value of AMC just for doing it because I want to see more holders of AMC stock out there and I want to see this squeeze happen. So if it's something you're interested in, make sure to check out the description below. And if you want to share the video, get the word out there on what's going on with AMC, when we can see the squeeze, all that. Make sure to share this video and tag me almost anywhere at Claybro. I would love to follow you guys back and see what everybody's interested in investing in. So until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.